Are you tired of feeling stuck and unfulfilled in your life? Do you want to make real progress and achieve your dreams? If so, then goal setting is the key to unlocking your potential and making your dreams a reality. In this talk, we will discuss the importance of goal setting and how to set and achieve your goals, no matter what obstacles may come your way. Key 1. Understand why goal setting is important. Goal setting helps us to focus on what we want to achieve and gives us a roadmap for how to get there. It can also help us to stay motivated and track our progress. Key 2. How to set smart goals. Smart goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. This means that your goals should be clear and well-defined, with a way to measure your progress and determine when you have achieved them. Your goals should also be realistic and achievable, and should be aligned with your values and priorities. Key 3. Setting long-term and short-term goals. It's important to have both long-term and short-term goals. Long-term goals are those that you want to achieve in the distant future, while short-term goals are those that you can work on in the immediate future. By setting both types of goals, you can break down your long-term goals into smaller, more manageable tasks. Key 4. Overcoming obstacles. There will inevitably be obstacles and setbacks on the road to achieving your goals. It's important to have a plan for how to deal with these challenges and to stay resilient and focused on your goals. Key 5. Celebrating your successes. It's important to take the time to celebrate your achievements, no matter how big or small. This helps to reinforce your progress and keeps you motivated to continue working towards your goals. Now that you understand the importance and benefits of goal setting, it's time to take action. Start by setting some smart goals for yourself and make a plan for how you will achieve them. Don't be afraid to dream big, and remember to stay focused, resilient, and celebrate your successes along the way. With determination and hard work, you can achieve almost anything you set your mind to. Goal setting is a powerful tool for achieving success and fulfillment in life. By setting clear and achievable goals, and staying focused and resilient in the face of challenges, you can make real progress and achieve your dreams. So start setting your goals today and take control of your future. You have the power to create the life you want, so go out and make it happen.